What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? It is Friday, September 17th, 2021. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. What's up, Low Roller? What's up, Team Crawford? What's up, Joe? Appreciate all of you guys for being here, as always. MMAT bag holder, no more. Hurry up and deliver my tendies. I got moves to make. Hell yeah, dude. We are free. We are free. No more bags. Yep. So those my shares are gonna get called away at the $4 strike. So kind of unfortunate because I could have sold for $5, but hey, it is what it is. I really don't care. I just want to unload these bags. I'm done with this stock. So, good news there. In a rather pretty disgusting day. Low roller Shiba Inu pumping, but it will go back around 0.006 to 0.007. Well, we'll take a look at that first. That was the big runner today. Definitely possible. Honestly, I didn't look at the graph that much. I just drew support and resistance. So, yeah, we'll get to that. First on the analysis. What's up, Sicario? What's up, Marvin? Appreciate you guys for being here, as always. Big good day for my small account. Yeah, Sicario, I think it's a big good day for pretty much everyone. Which is weird, because even as a rainbow bear, it seems like bears make more money on green days than red days. I don't know. I lost money today because of this damn stock. We'll get to that in a second. Yeah, all around guh for the whole market and pretty much everyone. So hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. I saw Dogecoin was pumping last night too. I did not see that, but it doesn't surprise me. I might trade some Dogecoin. Yeah, well, not financial advice, but, Dogecoin is legit now. I kind of hate to say that, but it's legit. It's here to stay. So, I'm going to trade Dogecoin as well when I can get a better price. What's up, 1010? Happy Friday, people. Green day for me. Well, that's good to hear, 1010. First of all, thanks for being here, as always. That's really good. Glad to hear that, because I'm pretty sure everyone, for the most part, got wrecked today. So I'm glad that, someone in our community made it out with tendies today. Zakaria, wow, CRVS. Yeah, we'll get to that in a second. All right. So, yeah, thank you all. Thanks to everyone for being here today. A lot of people in here already. Can already tell it's going to be a really good show. So, really appreciate you guys. All right, so today we're doing the show from Raministan. Yeah, really, really nasty day for the stock market today. And I think crypto didn't do that well also. Didn't check, to be honest, but I think crypto was down as well. But super nasty day for the stock market. So that's why we're doing the show from Raministan. Yeah, really bad way to end the week. But regardless, got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto review. And we have some news today. Some minor news about the Fed, Jay Powell and Associates. So we'll get to that. And today, for the analysis, we'll be doing Shiba Inu, SHIB, BBIG, IRNT, SDC, and ATER. So a lot of memes here. And we've been covering a lot of these stocks, past couple of days. But today we're doing Shiba Inu and Small Direct Club. So those are new. And if we have time, we'll briefly look over HLBZ and CRVS. Those were also major runners today, but didn't get too much attention on social media. But I think those are worth taking a look at. And as always, we'll get to our Yolos. So yeah, great show for you guys today. Low roller. I am still bag holder MMAT until 15 bucks. Hey man, all it takes is one short squeeze, one me mania, and you'll be right back up there. But you know, for now it's diamond hands. What's up, Team Crawford? Appreciate you for being here. Tom and Rob are pumping Dogecoin. Who's Tom and Rob? Not quite sure who Tom and Rob are. But thanks for being here, man. As always, appreciate you. Joe, bought Beam yesterday. Did me nice today. I don't even know what that is. Beam? Beam Global. No idea, but it's up 5%, so awesome, dude. Congratulations to you. You got one more week in Bitcoin contract. I heard October to December will be huge pumping in Bitcoin. Yeah, I got one more week. It looks like I'm in pretty good shape. It should expire worthless. Should. No guarantees, but it looks good right now. And I certainly hope Bitcoin explodes in coming up. But let me escape with my premiums first, and then Bitcoin can moon. Sounds good. What's up, Sahil? Appreciate you for being here. ATER, yes, so many in the money calls. Let's go. Sounds like you did pretty good today on ATER, so congratulations, dude. Very happy for you. Tim Crawford, Tom Brady. Tom Brady's pumping Dogecoin. Is he getting paid to do so? And who's Rob? Gronk? Rob Gronkowski? Really? Well, you know, a lot of athletes are getting into NFTs now, but as far as like pumping crypto itself, that's kind of unheard of. Usually they're like influencers that do that. Although I guess like Gronk is kind of an influencer. Kind of. Well, that's pretty interesting. Even athletes, celebrities pumping Doge now. Marvin, I'm holding Smile Direct Club for a double, people. For small tendies or fat tendies? Because if I remember correctly, I think you were holding off for Smile Direct Club, and then it just pumped up, so I think you missed out on some. But, hey man, sounds like you made something, so congratulations to you. Very happy for you guys. Bro S stock is very popular in Wall Street bets. What's Bro S? Do you mean body? I didn't see Bro S. But I mean, we'll take a look at that. I do have some Yolos later on. I don't know what Bro S though is though. Bro S. Beam is a component maker for EV companies. Solar is one of them. Okay, so it's like a manufacturer play. It's an EV extension play pretty much. So awesome, dude. Yeah, 5%. Nice tendies today. YouTube deleted one of my comments. For what? What'd you say, low roller? If you want, you can join the Discord. I don't know if you're in the Discord yet, low roller, but link is in the description. You know, it's a safe space there. You can say whatever you want without, you know, YouTube policing us. Sold my SDC calls today at open. I'll wait for re-entry. Damn, dude. Should have held them. Should have held them a little longer. Would have printed some fat tendies today, but hey, that's better than red at least, so. All things considered, not too bad. I say what is pumping is my Ecomi bag. I don't know how much that's up, but hey, if you're making your money back, awesome, dude. Seems like everyone is making some pretty good tendies today in a really bad market. Except for me, of course, but I'm really happy for all you guys. So, I guess I sacrificed today so you guys can make some tendies. BROS? I don't even know what that... I didn't even see that on Wall Street Bets. Maybe I didn't look hard enough. Dutch Bros? Dutch Bros. That sounds familiar, but, yeah, I don't even know what that is. Recent IPO. Dutch Bros. Sounds like, Kind of reminds me of Dutch Masters, you know, like the cigars. What the hell is Dutch Bros? Man, a lot of people being active in the chat today. Yeah, can already tell it's going to be a really good show. We didn't even start yet. A lot of people in here. Yeah, you know, when there's a lot of people in nice and early, it's always a good show. So this is going to be great. So really, thank you guys. And it's Friday. You know, Friday usually is, you know, the biggest day for traffic. Don't hold anything that Wall Street Bets pumps for long, guys. I only hold about 1 day, maybe 2. Yeah, damn right. Because by the time it reaches Wall Street Bets, you know, pretty much... Well, by the time it reaches Wall Street Bets, you miss the bottom. And there might be a little bit more room, or it's over already. So yeah, you learn that from experience. Not just Wall Street Bets, but whenever anything goes mainstream, you know. It's probably almost over. Marvin got in Smile Direct Club at 580. Damn. Did you sell? Are you still holding? I think you're still holding. Damn, it went up to 742. And still holding? Diamond balls, bro. But hey, glad you're still up. Still up pretty big, too. You know, considering how much it pulled back. I miss on some upside, but sometimes, but I never get wrecked on them. Yep, safer is better, Joe. You know, you have to be an ape in moderation. You have to be an ape. You have to trade, like, aggressively to make big tendies, but, you know, not stupidly like you see on Wall Street Bets. So there's a balance between there. But, yeah, you got it right, Joe. Better safe than sorry. FULC up 11% today? Really? I did not see that, but let me look at that one. That's up to 31. What the hell? 31 on FULC. This is ridiculous. Well, I mean, I was out at 26. Gladly. You know, good thing, but super manipulated. Doesn't surprise me. Mind you, I play the option, so I have to take profit when up. Yeah, that too. Gotta hit the sell button. I like bros, but I missed out. Hey, pause. No, I'm kidding. Bros. Yeah, how much did that go up today? That went down 10%. So maybe didn't miss out just yet. Some pullback here. I don't know anything about this stock, though. FULC hitting 31. Yeah. Crazy. Crazy stock. Super manipulated. Glad they came out of there. I heard 60 South Korea will be shutting down for crypto exchange. 60 South Korea. What is that? 60 South... Is that a crypto exchange? I never heard of that before. All I know is KuCoin. That's the most popular, you know, Korean exchange. And Huobi, that's the other one. I'm still holding. I need the apes to pull their magic. Well, Marvin, good luck to you, dude. Certainly hope that works out. But, you know, just be careful. You know, don't get too greedy. Just make sure you escape with some profit. Make sure you're in the green. You know, don't diamond hands this and then get wrecked. But other than that, dude, congratulations so far. And yeah, I certainly hope the apes pump it up. But, yeah, just make sure you escape in the money. All right, guys. So thank you to everyone who is in here. Let's get started. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right, let's do it. Boom. All right, so let's start with my plays today. So, ABCL, shorted this one yesterday in the middle of the show, I think. Yeah, I did, in the middle of the show. And I posted this on the Discord, so a bunch of you guys should already know what I did today. But yeah, I shorted ABCL yesterday at 24 in the post market, and I covered at 20.50. I could have got it for 20, but I didn't want to be too greedy. But yeah, I covered at 20.50. I made 14% on that, so very happy about that one. Oh my god. Yeah, so CRVS. So another one I shorted uh, last night, yesterday, during the show, shorted at 345. And this morning, it looked like it was going really good, actually. This morning, this came down, and I was actually up 10%. And then, I don't know what happened. Middle of the day, it started going nuts, and it's still going nuts. It's pushing $6 right now. I think I'm down 60% on that one right now. Yep. Actually, this one's more appropriate. So, yeah, I'm getting wrecked here, but not too bad, like, I'm used to this. I held INDP, down 200%, and then I ended up escaping for a small gain, so, yeah, Diamond Balls, not too worried just yet, but this is getting a bit ridiculous. It's pulling back now. But yeah, holding big bags on that one. And then INDP, I covered this one at $10. At one point this hit like 29 earlier in the week. So I escaped a 200% loss there. Ended up in the green. Rainbow Ape Diamond Balls. Not financial advice, guys, but that is the way. IPHA, I didn't make a play on this one, but I told you guys in the Discord this morning it might moon today. And I'm pretty upset I didn't go for it. I was really thinking about it at 7, and it went up to 12. So, I missed out on some fat tendies there. I should have went with my gut. But, I'm too much of a rainbow bear to go long. But should have did it. I should have went with my gut. I knew it was going to moon, but yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, SVB, Leerlink, and HC Wainwright upgraded IPHA, so probably squeezed. And I didn't jump on that, so my fault. Clown on me. Clown on me for CRVS and clown on me for not going for IPHA. Then we have LPTX. I was holding bags on this one. And I covered at 230. I didn't make too much money there, but I managed to escape with a small gain. And glad I'm not holding those bags anymore. Then we have Surf, FURF. Shorted this one in the pre-market at 690. And I was up 8% earlier. I was trying to stretch it to 10. I was almost there. But clown on me, it started going the other way. It went all the way back up. So I covered at 685. So barely made any money there. I just wanted to make sure I didn't start losing money. And it finishes at 710, so I did cover correctly, but I should have covered when I was way up, so I lost a couple $100 there for being too greedy. But yeah. Well, so I guess it's a pretty bad day for me, but everything was good except for CRVS. CRVS really screwed me today. Pulling back now to 560. So we'll keep an eye on this in the post market. But yeah, pretty bad day for me. So sounds like you guys did pretty good. So glad you guys made tendies. Did a lot better than me. Yeah, pretty rough day for me today. This damn CRVS, and I'm glad you guys didn't go for it because I said you guys should go for it, and nobody did. So I would have felt pretty bad. Like I said, plenty of dead cat bounces happening on the short side in FULC. Honestly, dude, there's still probably a lot of shorts in there because it doesn't make any sense. But, the hedge funds are just trapping all the shorts in there. So, are you still in there, Marvin? I certainly hope you're not still in there. Joe says, yeah, Marvin, be careful with Wall Street bet stuff. It's a lot of pump and dumps. We may never see another GME or AMC. Yeah, those are in a league of its own. Not many things actually squeeze. They're just pump and dumps. But GME and AMC were squeezes. Here is the Link South Korea crypto exchange news. All right, low roller. We'll get to that in just a second. After we go over the stock market. Thanks for that. What's up, Derek? Appreciate you for being here. Did I see FDA denied Pfizer's booster shots? I didn't see it, but someone mentioned it in the Discord right before the show started. It might have been you. I don't know. Forgot. The names are kind of different in the Discord. So I don't really know who said it, but someone said it in the Discord. So, yeah, pretty interesting. They get FDA approved, but then they get denied the booster shots. I don't know. That's kind of weird. Is the stock tanking? Didn't really see. I've been buying REE $10 strike January calls anytime it touches the 530 range. REE $10 January. Damn, that's a long way up. Hope it works out, dude. If that hits, it's going to print. I mean, you don't have to sell it at 10. It doesn't have to go to 10 as long as you hit the sell button early. That's a pretty out there strike, man. Way out of the money. But yeah, if it hits, you're going to be printing. Maybe Oxygen can step in, lol. We're trolling now. Yeah, let's take Covaxin instead. Oxygen, damn right. GREE down 9%. The artist formerly known as SPRT. Down another 9%? Because wasn't it down like 30% yesterday? Oh my god, look at that. How disgusting. It opened at 60 and now it's at 39. 39.7. GREE may be worth a look 1010. Yeah, I would say so, but not right now. Not in this current moment. This is going timber right now. But eventually, yeah, when it bottoms out, could be a good play. Nope, already covered, but I will be returning when I see that bad boy go timber. Well, Marvin, good luck to you. I personally wouldn't go back for it, because it's, you know, my arch nemesis in there, H.C. Wainwright, manipulating the stock. And logically, it does seem like it will go timber eventually, right? But this thing just hasn't yet, so. But I'm glad you covered, so you're not getting wrecked. And, yeah, good luck when you go back for that. GREE is a new MMAT. Yeah, so, kind of starting to look like that. Super pump and dump. Damn it, CRVS, go down. This is sick. Alright, so let's take a look at the watch list now. Okay, so the Dow Jones finishes down 0.48%. The Nasdaq finishes down 1.18%. That is really nasty. And the S&P 500 finishes down 0.91%. Really, really nasty day. So let's take a look at the individual stocks here. So we got Apple down 1.83%. That's pretty nasty. You know, for a blue chip stock like Apple. Got AMC down 4%. AMD down 2.2%. ANY down 5.72%. ATER up 11%. And we'll talk about this one. Fifth today. But bright spot today. In the bloodbath. Alibaba is up 2.43%. Pretty nice. But still a long ways to go to recover to the upside. Okay. There actually is a decent amount of green here. So the indexes are a little deceiving. It seems like all the big market cap stuff is really getting slammed. Not so much the growth stocks and the smaller stuff. We got Clover up 2.09%. Coinbase up 0.81%. Hey, DoorDash came back. DoorDash, it was up more today, but finishes up 0.64%. Got Didi up 1.59%. We got Express down 4%. Facebook down 2.24%. Got Fubo up 2.65%. GME down 0.68%. Couldn't have been 0.69, a little more. Oh well. Google down 2.02%. Yeah, it looks like most of the damage today was in the large market cap stocks. Robinhood up 1.03%. What else? What else? Nothing too crazy here. Moderna's down 2.41%. MMAT up 1.37%. Bags unloaded. Let's go. MicroStrategy down 3%. Microsoft down 1.75%. Yeah, especially tech. The NASDAQ is down a lot. Yeah, tech is getting really slammed. But it looks like cruises are doing pretty well today. Interesting. NEO is up 1.13%. Nikola up 3.34%. Looks like the EVs are doing pretty well today. Oxygen up 5.17%. I didn't even see that. That's a big day for Oxygen. Wonder why it wasn't trending on StockTwits. Usually, this is one of the more popular meme stocks, so I was pretty surprised it wasn't up there. But very nice for Oxygen. Hear a siren coming. My apologies, guys. Gonna talk over it. Got Plug up 6%. Peloton down 1.43%. PayPal down 2.23%. Ride, Lordstown Motors up 4.9%. Snapchat up 3.15%. Virgin Galactic up really big, 7.88%. Sundial Growers, not Sundial. SoFi down 2.65%. Tesla's pretty sideways. Anything else here? Wayfair 3%. Interesting. We got Wish up 3.65% and Workhorse up 3.51%. XCLA down 2.38%. That's pushing $2 again. Yeah, and XPeng is up 3.78%. And ZEV up 4.42%. So, yeah, EVs are a bright spot today. Cruise lines are a bright spot. And a few select meme stocks. So actually, guys, the indexes are a little bit deceiving. The market didn't actually do that bad compared to what it looks like. Like I said, it's mostly large cap stocks that got really, really slammed today. So, yeah, this was the stock market. Hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. Sounds like a lot of you guys actually made money today. So, very happy for you guys. Better luck than me. Wonder what the revenue's going to look like of GREE when they drop earnings. Yeah, that is... Don't quote me on this, but didn't support get like a big partnership or something? And like the... You know what? I'm not even gonna... I'm probably just thinking about something else, but... I thought support did actually make a decent amount of revenue. Last time they reported, I think. But yeah, GRE is getting slammed right now. I definitely wouldn't go long right now. Ty, when you get to TA, will you look at Dash for me again? Tell me again how it's an overvalued turd. Huh. Sure, dude. Yeah, after we get done with crypto, we can look at DoorDash real quick. FDA recommends Pfizer booster for 65 and older, rejected for general public. So I guess they just have to go back to the drawing board. I mean, eventually they probably will get approved, but this was pretty surprising. Any of you guys watch Beat the Bush YouTubers? He put $60K on Dogecoin. He got 1 million Dogecoin. He is smarter Asian guy than other Asian guy in Alibaba stock. I don't know who that is, but yeah, that's a great investment there. 1 million Dogecoin. Diamond hands. Yellow roller Doge is definitely the best long hodl. Baba is just for trading. Well, Baba actually is a pretty good long-term hold, but not right now. Not when all of us are in it, right? They bought Baba? Dump it, dump it, dump it. Alright, guys, so let's move on to crypto now. CRVS is not wanting to go down. Alright, 1 second, guys. And let's take a look to see if there's anything happening in the post-market. Any post-market movers. Nope, nothing going on in the post-market. That big, at least. Just CRVS. Of course. The thing that's popping the most is the thing I'm in. What's up, Sonny? Yo, today was pretty red. Not pretty red, really, really red. So, hope it wasn't too bad for you, Sonny. But thanks for being here again today, man. As always. Appreciate you. And for everyone who came in late, if you didn't yet, could you please hit the like button? I'd appreciate that. Thank you. And if you guys want to join our Discord, link is in the description down below. CRVS 160%. This is going down. Well, yeah, you know, I would think so. I would certainly hope so. But it's not going down. You know why it's not going down? Because it's me. You know why? Because he shorted. Pump it. Pump it to the moon. And this is me. But, yeah, this is how you diamond hand like a true rainbow bear, like a boss. Down 60% right now. Diamond hands. Not saying you guys should do this, but, this is the way. So, just gotta eat the L right now until it comes back down. Wasn't as bad as INDP, though, you know? What's 60% when I just held through 200% loss? Not saying you guys should do this. I'm just a rainbow degenerate. The Asian guy got wrecked in Alibaba. The guy bought 650k Dogecoin at 2 cents. He sold at 8 cents. He really regrets selling Dogecoin too early. If you watch his old Dogecoin video, well, that's still a 3-bagger, you know, so that's still pretty good. But yeah, 8 cents. That's still way too early. And then he goes into Alibaba. So yeah, that's really unfortunate. If anyone is feeling down about any losses today, you'll feel better by knowing I lost 70k today alone, not including my BBIG, and ATER stuff. Damn, Sonny. Yeah, that's actually not funny. That's really, really unfortunate. I'm really sorry to hear that, man. You know, I hope, yeah, I don't know what your, like, net worth is, but I hope it's not too bad for you. But I don't care how rich you are. Yeah, that would hurt for anybody. So very, very unfortunate. Very, very sorry to hear that, dude. You know, if you want, you could join our Discord and, You know, I'm sure a lot of people could talk to you about it. You know, everyone is it's just all support. So yeah, I gotta pick our guy Sonny up right here. Definitely a bad day. Made a couple wrong decisions yesterday. Won't do that again. Yeah, that's the best way to learn. You know, just to get burned. Cause it sucks losing money, and you know, you gotta make sure you never lose money again. So, unfortunately, that is the best education, first-hand education. Getting wrecked on a play. So the moment you cover for a gut, it will tank. Yeah, exactly. Yes, it will. But I ain't covering unless it really goes that much to the moon. But looking at the chart, it really shouldn't go too much higher. I say that, but watch. I'm not covering for a guh. I'm covering for tendies. Rainbow Ape Diamond Balls, not financial advice, guys. Just have to hold until it comes up and you deal with the annoying red on your screen. Yeah, Sonny, I will say it. At least, you know, if you hold long enough, it will come back up. At least you didn't go for FDs, you know, like super YOLO FDs. And, so at least you have a chance to make your money back. You know, it's not gone just yet. Hugs for Sonny. Stay strong, buddy. Yep. We got to pick our guy Sonny up here. Rainbow handed. UROY. Work for me, so I feel you. Rainbow Diamond handing. UROY. Work for me, so I feel you. UROY. Did that go up or down? Pretty sure that went down today, right? Oh, damn. Marvin, did you make out good on this one today? You Rainbow Diamond hand in this one. Went down 14%. Kari says I was down about feeling down, losing $100. Now, even feeling gussy and you went down. Hopefully you recoup it all. Thanks, things can change on the daily, so I'm not going to stress too much. Yeah, everyone show Sonny some love here. He needs some love after the day. That was tough. He is saying that it will tank. Pump it, pump it, pump it. Yeah. Don't tank it until he covers. Don't tank until he covers. Pump it, pump it, pump it. You already know the market makers. It's a conspiracy against Ty. Always is. This why I can only afford few dollars in the stock market. I cannot afford buying $100 each trading stock. Well, low roller, crypto is actually more volatile, you know. So, but crypto, as long as you diamond hands, you'll be okay. I wouldn't say the same thing for the stock market. Depends which stock you choose. But yeah, crypto is also pretty risky. You know, but as long as you're not trading poop coins and you diamond hands, you'll be alright. Same thing with stocks. As long as you're not trading, you know, these meme stocks, if you're in legitimate stocks, you'll be alright. But yeah, you know, definitely takes a certain type of person to be doing this, you know, like as a job. You do need a good amount of risk management, and you kind of need to be a degenerate, like in terms of just not caring about money, not caring if you lose, not caring if you win. It's just another day at the office. The Whirler says, Sonny, you should jump into crypto. I think you should as well. You know, diversification is pretty good. Don't have to buy that much, but you know, diversifying would spread out the losses a little bit. Okay, getting a little sidetracked here. Let's go back to crypto. SPY is at levels from a month ago. September volatility for real. SPY was at 454 10 days ago. So that means... So does that mean buy calls? That's what you're saying, 10-10? No, I'm totally kidding. I'm like half kidding. Could be a good play to load up on some SPY calls, not financial advice. Yeah, this market is ridiculous right now. I have no issues with Tesla, Palantir, etc., but it's this hype stuff that goes up and down. Yeah, this these pump and dumps. Not even squeezes, they're just pump and dumps. Yeah, Tesla, Palantir, sounds like you've been spending a lot of time on Wall Street bets, dude. The apes, the ape stocks that are actually like legit, good ape stocks. It could have been worse. It could have been an MMAT like me. Yeah, that's true, Sonny. A lot of us got wrecked on MMAT. So, clown on us for everyone gets the clown for something. Clown on everyone. All bag holding something. All right, so let's get to crypto. So here's crypto. That is down 1.92% today. I see a lot of red here, but it doesn't look too bad at first glance, at least. So let's take a look. We got Bitcoin down 0.43%, pushing 47,000 again. Ether down 4.08%. That's below 4,300. Cardano down 1.93%. Binance down 2.56%. XRP down 1%. Solana down 4.82%. Polkadot down 3.28%. Here's some green. Dogecoin is up 1.52%. Got Avalanche up. Avalanche is still going nuts. Got Luna down, Chainlink down, Litecoin down 2%, Bitcoin Cash down 1.84%. Yeah. Oh, Tron is down 8.64%. FTC down 6%. A lot of red here. And some things are down a good amount, but I don't see anything like double digits. Let's see here. All right, so let's look at the green first. Biggest gainer today is IOTA, up 9.1%. Very nice. Then EOS, 7.16%. Then everything else after that is pretty minor. Decred, Cello, Bitcoin SV. What happened to Shiba? Wasn't this just up 25%? Now it says 3%? Really? Okay. Well, we're still going to talk about it because it was like number 2 on StockTwits today. But yeah, not too much green here. Not too much green. Let's take a look at the red. So yeah, for the red, it's actually not too bad either. There's only 2 things that were double-digit losers. SushiSwap and Perpetual Protocol. Everything else, not the worst thing in the world. Still pretty nasty, but wasn't too bad, all things considered. But yeah, still a red day for crypto. Still pretty nasty. So, yeah, all around pretty bad day. Stock market and crypto. A lot of good today. So I certainly hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. Hope you guys made out pretty okay today. 1010. I got calls for next week, but my finger is on the trigger to buy more VXX calls. Was up 7% today. Just curious, 1010. Why would you buy VXX calls instead of buying SPY puts? Because it's kind of the same thing, right? I mean, it works, it's pretty much the same thing, but just curious. I don't hear many people going for VXX very much. Or is it time to load up on the VIX? So you're bearish, Marvin? You think the market's going timber? I mean, I don't mind, Team Rainbow Bear. Sorry about the sirens, guys. Patience is key, guys. Nothing is permanent. Yeah, patience is key. Another thing you can do is just, go more into swing trading / day trading. Not saying you should do this, but here's an alternative, Sonny. Not holding in the long term and just, cutting when you're up and, you know, buying when you see good opportunities. I think that's more of what the people in this community do. I don't really think there's too many long-term holds. You know, here it seems like a lot of people like to go in and out. But you know, there's no right or wrong way to invest. But you know, different strategies that could help in different situations. And let the record show I made 30% on SPY 0-day calls. Always money to be made. Yeah, 1010 killed it today on those FDs. Ecomi is starting to look like my best crypto investment yet. Yeah, Marvin is really big on Ecomi. I don't know anything about it, but hope that prints you the attendees, Marvin. All I'm saying is the VIX has been looking pretty strong of late. Uh-oh, that's not a good thing. Yeah, I might try just flipping real quick. Depends on the situation, but I guess always good to look at things in different perspective. Yeah, you know, swing trading, day trading is more for the pump and dump, you know, meme stocks. Holding is really for your legitimate stuff, you know, your Apple, Amazon, AMD, stuff like that. Not GME and AMC. Everyone is screaming, Diamond Hands GME, Diamond Hands AMC. I'm like, no. Definitely not. Gotta hit the sell button. You're right, I'm a swinger, baby. We got the jokes here today. Options premium on SPY puts usually pretty high. The price of SPY is way more than VXX. Also, it has bigger moves than SPY. SPY drops 1%, VXX up 7%. Really? I didn't know that about the IV. So, that would be a good answer, yeah, for why you go for VXX over SPY. So, good to know, Tencent. Shiba Inu is a good swing trade for crypto. It's also a good hodl. What's up, O'Milly? I think that's how you say it, O'Milly. Thanks for being here. Don't think I've seen you here before, so thanks for joining. Welcome to the show. Too much stuff going up to hold junk. Yeah, I mean, my personal investment strategy is not to hold at all. You know, I don't really believe in holding that much. I only hold, like, Amazon and Apple and Viacom and some other stuff, Bitcoin. But yeah, you know, it just sucks staring at your screen seeing red. So, to me, the better play is to, you know, get your tendies, get out. Are you waiting to buy Shiba Inu to drop in price? I do want to load up on Shiba Inu. I don't know how much. Probably not, like, anything that crazy. But I'm convinced now about Shiba Inu. So, yeah, when there's pullback, I'm going to look to get it. Alright, guys, so that is crypto today. Pretty bad, but not too bad. So, I hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. Alright, let's... Oh, we got article. Alright, so let's look at Low Roller's article first. And then, I have an article. And then we'll get into the analysis. Where's that link? Where is that link? Here it is. And it says not found. The link is not. Hold on. I don't know why the link isn't working, Low Roller. It's like not complete. So, if you can give me the full link, then we'll take a look at it. But it's not working right here. So, let me just pull up Um, let me refresh this first. But let's just get to my article. So it looks like nothing is happening in the post market. All right, let's try this one. All right, that one worked. Personal opinion, everyone should have a long-term account. Stocks you don't touch. An employer, 401k, a wealthy relative that will die soon. Trading. Day trade, swing trade is fun, but diversify. Yeah, that's not a bad idea either. Especially if you do it with a 401k, you don't get taxed and stuff. Definitely not a bad strategy. That's the more safer, long-term build wealth play. But definitely swing trading makes you more money. It's more of an ape thing, more risky. But I do agree. It's never bad to hold long positions. I don't hold that many long positions, but for sure, gotta hold some. Is MMAT trying to do something in the after hours? I didn't see anything, but we could take a look at that real quick. Okay, it's a Reuters article. Okay. So it says over 60 South Korean crypto exchanges to set to suspend services next week. Wow, this is pretty big. I didn't hear about this. That's a lot. So it says more than 60 crypto exchanges in South Korea must notify customers of a partial or full suspension of trading by Friday midnight. So I don't think all of them are necessarily going to close, but you're probably going to have to verify your identity from now on. I think that's what it is. Yeah, we see Upbit, BitThumb, Coin1, and Corebit. I didn't even know there were that many exchanges in South Korea. So this is pretty big news, but honestly, I'm not too surprised. This day and age, more regulation is coming, not just in the U.S. All the countries are starting to regulate more. And you pretty much need to sign up with, verification to make any trades now. The days of the Wild West are over, where you can just sign up with a burner email and trade any amount of money you want. Those days were insane. So yeah, pretty surprising news. I didn't expect it. But it's not surprising. Let's just say that. So it's not going to affect us that much, but this is pretty big news, in the overall crypto market. So, thanks for sharing, Low Roller. Okay, and let's get to my article here. Marvin says, I feel you, I got my Roth. I know what's up. Yeah, got to take advantage of those tax benefits with the 401ks. But for rich people, they're trying to stop that. Congress is trying to stop that loophole now. I think I shared an article about that last week. Maybe it was this week. I think if you have like a couple $1 million, you can't actually do the 401k loophole anymore. They know what's up. Crypto with big business now? Yep. The institutions, the hedge funds, have successfully invaded crypto and pretty much have taken it over. I think they own 10% of crypto now, which is actually not that much, relative to the whole world. But institutions definitely have a big part in, play a big part in crypto now, and they can manipulate it just like they do the stock market now. And it's kind of worse because there are no halts in crypto. I miss the old trading days, all junk coin and cryptocurrency. If you are bored in 2017, just buy any junk crypto coin like Jesus coin, Santa coin. I remember Santa Coin, yeah. Yeah, back in the day, the Wild West, the good old days, where anything goes. everyone, everyone YOLOing on poop coins, losing on poop coins, making on poop coins. The good old days. So, those days are long gone. It was good while it lasted. What's up, Chase Cross? Appreciate you for being here. CRVS is a good swing. Yeah, it is, except unless you did what I did, you know, and you go the wrong way on it. Clown on me. Think you missed it, but yeah, I said in the beginning of the show that I went short on CRVS at 345. So now I'm down like 60% on that. But Diamond Balls, it's gonna come back down. But thanks for being here, man. Appreciate you. What's it at now? It's at 610. Yep. Oh my god. Of course it is. Of course it is. Of course it is. Well, let me 1 second, guys. I did want to average down or average up, I guess. Well, I was gonna say I wanted to average up, but it already went through. I was gonna cancel the order. Huh. Interesting. So let me put in. I gotta average down again, I guess. Okay. So, what would that be? 655, 555, 590. All right. Going to try to average down again. Don't do this, guys. I'm just retarded. I'm just an ape. I'll try to get some more shares here. Okay. Gonna try to get 180 more. So, yeah, how fun. I'm down, $4,500 on CRVS right now. Good. 611. Yep. Nope, 620 now. 620. Great. Awesome. Chase, you're going long from 370. Well, I'm glad you made the tendies, dude. And, you know, not financial advice, but, you know, sell eventually. You know, sell pretty soon. As in, like, either before 8 o'clock or on Monday. Because it's definitely coming back down. But glad you know, I sacrificed so you can make tendies, dude. I'm glad you made them. VIX closed again above 20 again, looking hella strong. Sounds like you want the VIX to go up, Marvin. Average down it is like your new MMAT. Yeah, looking like it. Yeah, I'm down 2K on TMC. TMC. Yeah, that one was popping lately. So kind of sounds like you FOMO'd in on Millie. I'm not sure. But yeah, that sucks, dude. Sorry about that. Good. Can't win them all. CRVS looks hella strong here. Still decent volume. New high, 620. Yep. Well, I'm not going anywhere. This cannot keep up forever. What is it at now? 200%? What is it up? Almost 200%. Gonna have to average down again soon. CRVS is your new MMAT. Well, I'm gonna be holding it for a lot shorter. This should come back down, you know, like relatively soon. Next few trading sessions, but this is disgusting. Okay. So what are we gonna do? So, we did our... Oh, no. Our article. Right. Okay. So I got an article here. Let's read. Fed Chief Powell, other officials owned securities central bank bought during COVID Oop, I was not supposed to say that. Demonetized. No, I'm kidding. Gonna shadow ban me now. During the C-19 pandemic. Key points. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell has ordered a review of ethics rules for the central bank after an outcry over officials owning individual securities. CNBC found Powell owned municipal bonds of the same type bought by the Fed during the C-19 pandemic in 2020. Two regional Fed presidents likewise owned assets of the same type the Fed was buying as the C-19 threatened the U.S. economy's health. The central bank's code of conduct says officials should be careful to avoid any dealings or other conduct that might convey even an appearance of conflict between their personal interests, the interests of the system, and the public interest. So, some corruption going on here, but you know, they're just gonna play dumb. I didn't know, but yeah. So we got insiders in the Fed lining their own pockets. They're loading up with their own money, and then they load up with the Fed's money. So, you know, they're pumping up. It's pretty much insider trading. That's what this is. That's literally what it is. But, you know, these are public officials. This is the Fed. So, I highly doubt anything is going to be done, you know. Jay Powell is, like, really respected. No one has anything against him. And kind of ironic, he's the one that has ordered ethics reviews, and yet he himself pumped up the bonds. So, yeah, I don't know. Sounds like corruption to me. But is anything going to be done? Probably not. But this was pretty interesting to me. So, wanted to share with you guys. Alright, so that's all the news we got for today. So let's get into the analysis. Normal volume on CRVS. Oh my god, it's at 630 now. Well, you know what? Let me reset the Alright, I'm going to reset the order to 625. Let's go for 250, sure. Yeah, average volume is 300K, and it's doing 240 mil. This is absurd. This is absolutely nuts. I'm just glad you guys didn't follow me into this trade. I would have felt pretty bad. I don't care. Damn, it hit 5.8. Oh, no, that's in the regular market. I'm bugging. Yeah, it's hit 650. 650. Holy crap. Please be the top. 650. Yeah, I'm down a lot right now. Well, count on me. I dropped 100K in TMC and I'm down a bit too, but it's just gonna wait until it comes back up and then dumping it. Yep, it's all a patience game. You know, but unfortunately, on the short side, there is a possibility that you can get margin called out, which isn't an issue for me. But you also have to pay borrow fees. So I just really don't want to hold on to this for that long. Yeah, this is disgusting. Going for 15. Monday looking for 25. Well, Chase, I mean, this might be a biased answer, but I highly doubt it's going to keep running on Monday. Not after today. If it stays up here, it's going to double gap. If it opens on Monday above 580. It's at an all-time high right now, you know, so I don't think that's very likely, to be honest. But you never know. You never know. Certainly hope not. That would actually make me cover. Big J Money Powell is the biggest and baddest day trader of them all. Yeah, how to rig it. 664. So I'm gonna have to up it again. Gotta up my order again, huh? We're really doing this, huh? All right, fine. Are there fees with going long? No, there's no borrow fee for going long, but there are margin fees for going long. But on the short side, you got to pay borrow fees, which you don't have to pay on the long side. But I wouldn't recommend going long on margin anytime. When you go short, you have to use margin. But, you know, it's not something that you should do to try to, like, leverage yourself. Margin is really made for liquidity issues, not really for what's it called? Not really for leverage, but that's what people use it for now. It's pushing $7. This is getting really bad, guys. Uh-oh. How high can it go? This is so ridiculous. Sorry, guys, I don't mean to be stalling the show, but I'm just watching this like, what is going on here? This is nuts. This is nuts. Volume increasing on CRVS. Don't short it. Nah, dude, I already averaged down 2 times. It can't keep going up forever. It's at 200% now. It can't go up that much more. I say that, but watch. Nah, dude, I'm not worried about it. I just think this is getting a little bit out of hand. It's pushing 7 now. What's my average now? So my average was 345. Now I'm at 4. This is disgusting. Hopefully 7's the top. Anyway. Patience and discipline. Yep. I just gotta hold till it comes back down. It's coming back down. If they don't do an offering, I don't see how they can't do an offering after this. Okay, no one to get in and out. Well, I can't get out now. I can't take this loss, you know? That'd be a mistake. I just gotta hold now. Okay, so let's get started with our analysis today. First one is Shiba Inu. So we gotta go in trading view for that. So give me a second, guys. I'm on mute. Stupid. My bad. I was on mute. Yeah, this stock, APRE, is mooning in the aftermarket. And I can't watch it right now, while I'm doing the show, but if it goes higher, I'd like to take a position. So keep an eye on this one, guys. Let me add it to my watch list here. It's up 17%. Yeah, I'm going to keep an eye on this one. Alright, so I got filled on more shares on CRVS. Yeah, I'm in pretty big here. So we'll chill on this. We'll chill on this. I think I averaged down enough here. Anyway, sorry guys, getting sidetracked. Let's do the analysis. Shiba Inu. The more I short, the more money for you. Yeah, Chase, just don't get too greedy, man. This is absurd right now. It really can't go that much higher, Like, I would, I mean, it might have topped out. Maybe not. But, just make sure you hit the sell button eventually, dude. Okay, here is SHIB Shiba Inu. This finishes at 0.000833 cents today. That is down 2.46%. So, Shiba Inu was trending top 10 on StockTwits today. It was very high up there. I think it hit second briefly. And I think this is because Shiba Inu just recently got added to Coinbase. So there's a big influx of buy orders because a lot of apes want to get into Shiba Inu. So I believe that is why there was so much price action today. It finishes down 2.46%, but honestly, it was up 25% not too long ago. So the ticker doesn't really do this justice. But yeah, I believe the reason why there was so much price action today was due to the Coinbase listing. Not much else to say about that, so let's get right into the analysis. Zoom in here. Okay, so right now this is sitting on the support of 0.00084 cents today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 0.00088 cents, 0.00091 cents, 0.00094 cents, 0.00098 cents, 0.000, excuse me, 0.0011 cents. Yeah. 0.0012 cents. Too many lines here. So that was 1, 2. Alright, my bad. I got lost for a second, guys. 0.0014 cents. 0.0016 cents. 0.00165 cents. 0.0018 cents. 0.00184 cents. 0.00194 cents. 0.0021 cents. 0.00222 cents. 0.00235 cents. 0.00277 cents. 0.003 cents. 0.00347 cents. 0.00382 cents. And then the high of 0.005 cents. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 0.00079 cents, 0.00075 cents, 0.00071 cents, 0.00066 cents, 0.00061 cents, and then the low of 0.00056 cents. I think that's the low. Yeah. Okay. So right now with this current price, 0.00038 cents, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized, so expect a decent amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 0.00094 cents, the channel starts to open up and get really wide, so expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 0.00094 cents. The RSI is currently at 61, so a little above average, but nothing to be too concerned about. Where's the volume? And very significant volume. This did over double the average. So this sell-off? So the sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, so if we zoom in, this does look like a possible cup and handle here. Top of the cup would be 0.00094 cents, and the bottom of the cup looks like it's 0.00061 cents. So if this is in fact a cup and handle, this should pull back about halfway to complete the handle. So that's currently a bearish indicator. And just a quick prediction, this should pull back to around 0.00075 cents to complete the handle. And then I would expect this to consolidate and eventually break out again. Okay. So based on that, and based on the relatively high RSI, I would say that this looks more bearish to me in the short term than bullish. And I do think it's going to pull back to complete the handle there. So I think that going long here is not a good idea. I would not recommend that. You're probably going to end up holding some bags. Shouldn't be too bad, though. But I think if you were to hold off for a little bit, you should be able to get this at a better price. So I don't support going long at this current price, but I would say if it comes back to at least 0.00075 cents, then you can start to take a long position. Then you can start building a long position. And if it goes down from there, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned. And if you want to go short, not financial advice, but seems like a pretty decent play for the same reasons. We have this cup and handle. We have this complete cup, and it looks like the handle is forming. So the chart does appear. So the chart does look pretty bearish, and I do think it's going to pull back. So there is a decent amount of money to be made from here, 0.00083 to the downside to 0.00075. So going short looks like a pretty decent play to me here. So I would support that. Now just be aware that this is crypto and this is Shiba Inu. You know, it's like a meme coin. So there is the possibility that this absolutely moons. I don't think it's very likely, but it is possible. So there is still risk involved here. So if you want to go short, just be aware of what you're getting yourself into. Okay. Zoom out. So, sorry to everyone who lost money in this one today. But you know, as long as you diamond hands, this should be coming back up. This is a good long-term hodl. And good luck to everyone currently in this coin and to everyone looking to take a position. This is SHIB Shiba Inu. Damn it, CRVS. What is it at now? $7. So it's still going. I thought it went like way up. That's not like way up. Still hurts though. Still hurts a lot. Hoping it topped out at 7. I don't see how much more this can keep running. If I can get 100 million Shiba Inu, it is $835. Can you imagine it hit 1 cent? I can't imagine this hitting 1 cent, but I can't imagine it hitting 1 cent, but I kind of do see it. Anyway, let's move on. Okay, here is BBIG, Vinco Ventures. This finishes at $7.77 today. that is down 6.61%. Okay, so this stock is still trending. This has been a really hot stock the past couple of weeks. Always top 10 on StockTwits. And, you know, this squeezed all the way from the 2s up to 1250 at the high. And it has since pulled back pretty significantly. Momentum has been cooling off. But it does look like there's still life in this one. It's not over just yet. So the apes are still strong with this one. And it appears like the squeeze is not over just yet. But, yeah, no specific news or anything to justify this price action. There hasn't been any news to justify any of this price action this whole time. So, again, just a bunch of ape stuff going on here. It appears like the apes are panic selling, and the shorts are starting to pile in again. So let's analyze this. So we have multiple gaps here. We have gaps up and gaps down. I think we do. This is a gap, right? I don't know if we could call this a gap, actually. I guess not. I mean, it kind of is. Whatever. We'll call it a gap. So, first of all, we have two gap ups. So, those are bearish indicators. We have a gap up at 150 and then another gap at 3. So, those are bearish indicators. That is telling us that this stock is likely to pull back down to those levels to fill those gaps at 150 and 3. Now, honestly, I don't think it's gonna come back down to 150 and maybe not even 3. But 3 is a lot more possible than 150. So those may never fill, but the gaps usually do fill. So just keep an eye on that. And this also had a gap down at 960, very small gap down. But that is a bullish indicator that is telling us that this is likely to come back up to 960 eventually to fill that gap. Can't say how long that's going to be. It might be pretty soon if we get some more momentum, or it could be a while if this continues to the downside. Okay. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 815 and 765. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 815, 910, 940, $10, $11, $11.90, and then the high of $12.50. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be $7.65, $7, why am I lagging? $6.50, $6, and then $5.30. And there is a bunch of support below $5.30, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So at this current price, $7.77, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty wide. So expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this comes back down to $5.30, the channels start to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this comes back down to 530. The RSI is currently at 56, so a little above average, but right around where it's supposed to be. And this did 48 million in volume today. Very significant volume, so this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay. So honestly, it's a bit hard to tell where this one is going in the short term. But this is just my opinion. I think that this is more likely to go to the downside than to the upside. It appears like the volume is cooling off. It appears like the momentum is cooling off on social media. This isn't being as this isn't talked about as much as it used to be. Really, I think the only thing this stock has going for it is the strong social media sentiment. And I think as soon as that goes away, this stock is going to fade away as well. So, I give it to the apes. They've been keeping this one up for a while now. I didn't expect it to go for this long. And if they keep it up, then I would say, sure, definitely has a chance to keep going to the upside. But I think in reality, it's going to be very difficult to keep this stock, to keep the momentum going. But yeah, I think it all depends on the social media sentiment. I think it all depends on the social media sentiment and momentum. If it's still heavily trending, then I would say likely to go to the upside, and if not, then it's likely to go to the downside. And I do think that the chatter about BBIG on StockTwits will fade away. So, unfortunately, I think this is going to go to the downside in the short term. Maybe not, hopefully not, but I'm just trying to be objective here. But honestly, I think at this point, the best play is to avoid this altogether if you don't currently have a position, long or short. This is really risky here. This is more like a gamble than an investment. So I think the best play would be to avoid this and follow the price action. And if you can get a better price, then enter. I don't think 77. I don't think this current price 777 is a good entry either way. But if you feel like gambling, then sure, go for it. Just understand it's a real possibility that you can lose a lot of money here. Either way you go. It's a high risk, high reward play, taking a position here. So as long as you understand this could go pretty bad, then sure, I would support going for it. So, sorry to everyone who lost money in this one today. If you're still up, consider taking profits, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is BBIG, Vinco Ventures. Shiba Inu need to burn a ton of coins? Yeah, they do. Are they going to? That'd be nice. ATER trying to move after hours. No rush getting to analysis eventually. 50-cent move in the last 10 minutes. We're going to talk about it anyway. Last. CRVS still holding up, huh? Not good, not good. Alright, next one, IRNT. Okay, here's IRNT Ironnet. This finishes at $30.26 today. That is down 26.91%. So here's another meme stock that has been trending a lot the past couple of trading sessions on social media. This had a lot of momentum going for it. Squeezed all the way from 11 up to almost 50. And today we're getting some pretty big pullback. Looks like some healthy pullback. So maybe this is the end of this squeeze for IRNT. Too early to tell, but right now it's not looking too good. So no news or anything to justify this price action today. So the majority of the price action today probably is just some healthy pullback, some profit taking here, and shorts starting to pile in. So the past few shows that we've been covering this one, I said that this is getting pretty dangerous. It can't keep running to the upside for that much longer. I said that I don't think going long is a good idea, and going short seems like a pretty good idea. So if you went short today, you would have been printing some tendies. And if you went long today, you would have got burned. And this is a brand new stock. There's not too much we can analyze, but let's try our best here. So we have a gap up at 24. Very small gap, but it's still a gap. So that is a bearish indicator. That is telling us that this is likely to pull back to 24 eventually to fill that gap. And quite honestly, that's probably going to be in the short term. We don't have an RSI here, but this did 16 million in volume today, which is above the average. So this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay. So, in my opinion, this chart looks bearish to me right now. It looks like it's going into free fall. And it might have some difficulty catching some support here. It looks like there's going to be some strong downwards momentum. And really no indicators to go off of besides the gap up at 24. So that being said, I think I'm going to stick with what I originally said for this stock. I'm going to stick with what I have been saying all along for this stock. I think that going long here, I don't think it's a good idea to go long here. I think that's very, very risky. This is still at a pretty high price, at $30. And it looks like there's going to be, and the chart looks pretty bearish right now, so I do expect this to keep going down in the short term. So if you go long here, you're probably going to end up holding some bags. I don't recommend that right now. But I will say that if this does pull back to at least 24, then I would support taking a long position. But at this current price, $30 is just too high. And on the flip side, if you want to go short, I think that's a pretty good play. For the same reasons. For the same reasons mentioned, this looks pretty bearish. We have the gap up. It already squeezed all the way from 11 to 50. So, some significant pullback is expected. And from here to 24, that would be 20% at least. So, pretty decent tendies to be made on the downside. So yeah, going short looks like a pretty decent play to me. I would support that. Now, just be aware that the squeeze may not be over. It appears like it is, but you never know. This is a meme stock, and The apes can come out of nowhere. The momentum can start to rally again. And it is a possibility that this continues to the upside. I don't think it's very likely, but possible. So just be aware of that. I don't think you're going to get squeezed out, but it's possible this keeps running to the upside and you can lose money here. It's not totally safe. So, sorry to everyone who lost money in this one today. If you're still up, consider taking profits. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is IRNT Ironnet. Alright, what's the next one? Small Direct Club. Okay, here is SDC, Small Direct Club. This finishes at $6.70 today. That is up 11.67%. So I remember hearing about this stock all the way back in the GME days, back in January. This always had a very high short interest. But the apes really didn't catch on to this one until recently. There was some chatter about it on Wall Street Bets, but this only recently started trending on StockTwits. And then it started going nuts ever since then. So here's another meme stock, and the momentum seems to be strong with this one. This is a brand new stock that the apes jumped on. So the squeeze might be starting. This may be the start of a new squeeze. Who knows? Maybe not. But yeah, here's another meme stock that's catching a lot of attention on social media right now. Not much else to say about this, so let's get right into some analysis. So first of all, we have a gap up today at $6, so that is a bearish indicator. That is telling us that this is likely to come back down to $6 eventually to fill that gap. It may not be immediately, but it should eventually come back down there. And it looks like we have a possible cup and handle here. Very ugly looking cup, but still a cup. Looks like the top of the cup would be $10 and the bottom of the cup would be $4.60. So if this is in fact a cup and handle, that would be a bullish indicator currently. That would mean that this can possibly come back up to $10 to fill the top of the cup. RSI is at 44. RSI is at 64. So not quite in overbought, overvalued territory just yet, but it is quickly approaching that, so be careful, guys. And this did 139 million in volume today. Very significant volume. Biggest volume day ever for this stock. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Okay. So here's another one where it's kind of difficult to tell where this is going in the short term. We're getting some mixed signals here. We have the gap up, which is bearish. We have the cup and handle, which is bullish. And we have the social media sentiment. We have the high RSI and the high volume, which is bearish. And we have the social media sentiment, which is And we have the strong social media sentiment, which is bullish. So it's anyone's best guess, but if you were to ask me, I would say this is more likely to go to the upside than to the downside in the short term. And the only reason why I say that is because, this is a fresh stock. This hasn't been running for that long. The apes just jumped on this one. So there could be a few more days, so there could be a few more sessions left for this to run to the upside. That being said, this current price, 670, isn't really the greatest entry going either way, long or short. So this is kind of a gamble. So if you want to be a little more safe, if your risk tolerance isn't that high, then I don't recommend going for this stock at all. The safer play would be to avoid this altogether and to observe the price action and to come in a little later when you can get a better price. But if you really like the stock, if you think it's going to squeeze, if you want to ride the wave, then I would support going long here, because this very well could possibly squeeze. But just understand that there is risk involved. This could pull back to fill the gap. So I support going long here as long as you're willing to gamble. And I definitely don't think you should go short. I think that's a bad idea. This looks pretty strong right now. And even if this does go to the downside, I don't think it's going down that much. Not too many tendies to be made to the downside. So if you were to go short here, it kind of seems like a high risk, low reward play, so it doesn't really make too much sense. No point in doing that. So I don't think that's a smart idea. I would not recommend that. So congratulations to everyone who made money in this one today. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is SDC, Smile Direct Club. All right, one more. I feel like I've been talking a lot, but it actually hasn't been that bad. We should be finishing pretty good time here. And it looks like CRVS is starting to show some weakness. Hopefully it stops. That'd be nice. Hopefully 7 was the top. Can't take this for too much longer. All right, let's finish up, guys. How many people still here? Thank you to everyone who's still here. I've been talking a lot. Must be pretty boring, but I really appreciate you guys for sticking around. So, yeah, we're almost done here. Then we'll get to the Yolos. YOLO should be pretty fun. So, yeah, just bear with me, guys. 50-cent move in the last 10 minutes, huh? I don't know what's up with that, but it looks like it's pulling back now. Okay, here is ATER Aterian. This finishes at $11.06 today. That is up 11.04%. Okay, so here's yet again another meme stock that's been very popular of late. This has been trending on StockTwits. And it squeezed all the way from 3 to 19 and has since pulled back to 11. And it appears like the apes are still pretty strong with this one. The momentum has been cooling off, but the fight is not over just yet. Looks like this is starting to catch some support. So yeah, this still has potential in it. It's not done just yet. But if you guys recall, in the previous shows, I said that this looks like a complete cup and handle here. I predicted that the cup would fill at 19. The top of the cup would fill at 19. The handle would start to form, which it did. And then I predicted to see some consolidation and eventually some breakout. So it looks like right now we're getting some consolidation. Okay, let's analyze. Probably got to zoom in here. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of $12 and $10.45. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be $12, $13.30, $15, $16.50, $18.30, $19.65, $21.80, $23, $24.15, $25.50, $26.90. Whoa, that's a lot. $28.50, $30.30, $31.90, $32.70. Well, I'll call it $32.80. $32.80, $34.15, $35.90, $37.10, $38.30, $39.50, $41, $42, $43, $43.80, $45, $46.50, $47.50, and then the all-time high, $49. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be $10.50 or $10.40. Forgot what I said. $10.40, $9.55, $8.60, $8, $7.50, $6.80, $5.65, $4, and then the low of $3. So right now at this current price, $11, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized, so expect a good amount of price action either way you go. The RSI is currently at 56, so a little above average, but nothing to be too concerned about. And this did 35 million in volume today. Oh my god, this damn ambulances. And this did 35 million in volume today. Are you done yet? I guess not. I'm scared to talk because it's going to start going whoop whoop again. And this did 35 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Watching the show in Oxygen to test for 794 for the last time. I hope to break out the handle of their cup on the 1 minute. $8 is pretty good. It used to be at like 5, right? So we barely hear the sirens if it makes you feel better. Really? You guys don't? Because I hear it, you know, and I hear it on the playback when I edit the video, so it really bothers me. But that's good to know if it doesn't, you know, you don't hear it that much, because, you know, it really bothers me. All right, let's finish up here. Okay, so nothing has really changed from the last time we reviewed this. I'm going to stick with what I said before. It appears like this is a complete cup and handle here. The top of the cup filled at 19. We have the pullback down to 11. And now we're getting consolidation at 11. So now either two things can happen from here. Either this is going to keep consolidating and eventually it will break out again, which is usually what happens during a cup and handle. Can't say how long this is going to consolidate for. But eventually, things usually do break out to the upside after consolidation in a cup and handle. And the other thing that can happen is that the cup and handle rejects and this starts going into free fall to the downside. Now I do think it's more likely that this consolidates and breaks out to the upside, but it's anyone's best guess, really. So for that reason, I think that the better play would be to hold off on this altogether and observe the price action. And when you get a better price, then you can consider taking a position. I would say that anything 19 or above is a good time to start a short position. And anything 5 and below would be a good time to start a long position. But if you guys would like to gamble, then I'm not opposed to that either. Just understand this is pretty risky, going long or short right now. It's either going to go really good or really bad. It's going to be moon or dumpster. So as long as you're willing, as long as you're willing to accept losing your money, I would support going long here. I wouldn't really support going short, not saying that's not going to work, but I do think it's more likely this goes to the upside than the downside. So personally, I would not go short here. I wouldn't go long either, but I think going long is a much better play than going short. And now we got more sirens. ATER was at 920 this morning, ripped all afternoon while the market was dumping. I jumped in long ATER October calls for what strike? 1010. Short swing trade, plan to be out next week either way. Okay. Yeah, what strike, dude? Sounds like a plan. Must be in LA. Close. I'm in New York City. Manhattan. The heart of Manhattan. So, yeah, can't avoid this. Too much noise. Trying to get out of here soon, though. Either New Jersey or Queens. CRVS is pulling back. Yeah, diamond balls. Let's go. That's how you do it. Oh my god, I was getting pretty nervous there. Not that I was going to cover, but I'm just like, how much further can this run? This is stupid. So, yeah, guys, stick to your gut. All right, back to this. So yeah, personally, I wouldn't go long or short. I would just hold off and observe. But if you want to gamble, I think that going long is a better play than going short. Although going short still could work. Really hard to tell where it's going in the short term. But I think this is more likely to go to the upside than the downside. So yeah, I think the best play is to avoid it altogether. But if you guys really want to gamble, do it at your own risk. So congratulations to everyone who made money on this one today. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is ATER Aterian. People, I don't want to say the word because YouTube might flag me. People croak every day. Yeah, it's true, but I don't really know what you're referring to, Millie. Kind of out of context. But yeah, true that. Pretty sad. That's life, huh? We're all gonna have our day. 655. Let's go. It looks like it's been squeezed out. Hopefully, watch. It's gonna go right back to 7 just because I said that. He's still holding. We didn't squeeze him out yet. Pump it, pump it, pump it. From a movie based in NY? What movie is that? I don't really watch movies too much. Especially older movies I haven't seen. Paid in Full? I don't think I've even heard about that, but I'm just bad with pop culture, you know, so I'll definitely take note of that. Gotta check it out. He said it's going down. You know what to do. Oh, you're still here, Zakaria? No, it does look good. It's at 655 right now. So, come on. Don't do this to me. Just go down. Just go down. Come on. All right, let's get to the Yolos now. That's all the analysis. Let's get to the Yolos. Should be pretty short. I only got 4 today, and they're pretty simple, so shouldn't take too long. Should be fun. CRVS volume has gone way down. You might be safe for the night, maybe. Hey, I ain't going nowhere, so bring it on. No, I shouldn't even say that. The market makers are listening to me. He said, bring it on. Squeeze them out. Uh-oh. Look, it's running back again. It's running back up again. But yeah, big drop-off in volume here, so. Looks like I'm safe for now. Fingers crossed. Alright, guys, let's get to the Yolos. 1 second. Gotta pull the stuff up. And let me double check on the post-market action here. Looks like APRE is still holding pretty strong. Well, we'll look at that before we go into the Yolos. Eric B and Rakim, I think, was paid in full. Eric B and Rakim. Are those actors? I'm sorry, guys. I really don't know pop culture. Anyway. APRE, huh? This is holding up pretty well. What do you think, guys? Should I go for it? 580. The gap would be at like 510, so that's over 10%. I don't know. It looks pretty good to me, but I don't want to go for it and then it, it just goes the opposite way on me. There isn't news or anything, so that's kind of suspicious. What you guys think? Should I go for it? See, I don't want to keep waiting and then this tanks. But then at the same time, I don't want to go for it and it just squeezes up. Because that always happens to me. As soon as I go for it. Where is it? He shorted? Pump it, pump it, pump it. I'm going to hold off on this one for now, but I might have to go for this one. Keep an eye on this one for me, guys. Because I can't look at it right now. Alright, so today we have 4 Yolos. Not many. There weren't many to choose from today. Not that many good ones, at least. So, this should go pretty quick. Should be pretty fun. These are pretty simple. So, chill way to end the show, guys. So, we got IRNT. We have IRNT and then 2 general portfolio ones. MACD just crossed over. Wait, an APRE. Alright. I might have to go for it before the market closes, though. Or maybe on Monday morning, if it holds up. Because I don't want to pay that borrow fee. My cheap ass. Alright, so this first one is by J. Cali 1011. I believe we reviewed this guy yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. So I think this is a update. They say, I still believe. Double down on 40s for next week. Okay. So here we have 50 calls. We have 19 calls. All right, so for today, these are over. We had 19 calls for the 40 strike and 2 calls for the 55 strike. Then for next Friday, September 24th, we have 29 calls for the 40 strike. And I believe that's where he added. So IRNT. I might have to go for this, guys. I don't know. I think it's going to go below 580. I'm going to go for it. Sorry. I don't know. What? I'm telling you, as soon as I go for it, damn, it's at 570. I'm just going to put in the order for 580. And boom, I'm in. I'm in for 870 shares. And it's immediately going to go to the moon. I already know. So, entertainment for you guys. You can watch me watch me throw up here. Alright, I'm in at 580. You saw my order fill. 800 shares. That's pretty cool. Double top at 6. It didn't actually hit 6, but this looks like a pretty good price. I'll take it. I'll take it. Back to the Yolos. It seems like you guys like my my live mid-show rainbow bearing. I thought, it's a distraction, because I'm like doing my own thing while I'm supposed to be entertaining you guys. But it seems like you guys like watching me rainbow bear live on the show. So I guess it's pretty cool. All right, back to this. So yeah, he doubled down. What's IRNT at? I didn't even check. Too busy with this. 30. Okay, so this was a 28.5K YOLO, approximately. And right now he's down almost 19K. Down 66%.
Good.
So IRNT finishes at 30 today. So, yeah, there goes the $40 and $55 calls. Those are worthless. I'm pretty sure I told this guy to cut yesterday. Did I not? Pretty sure I said cut everything, because this probably ain't going good. So, yeah. So the only thing left are these 29 calls for the 40 strike, expiring next week. So he would need a 33% gain in 1 week for these to finish in the money. Pretty unlikely. Pretty unlikely. The momentum is cooling off, so it would take another, ape squeeze for this to go in the money. So I don't like it, guys. I think this is pretty stupid. Crayon eating ape play here. Very risky. Very unlikely to work. Hey, but I love the content. This is great. I don't know. I don't know why he would double down. This is stupid. To me, at least. Maybe I'm the stupid one, but watch. It's gonna go to 40. I'm gonna eat my words. Anyway. Yeah, I think this was a mistake. I don't know why you doubled down. At this point, this is damage control. You got to try to escape with the least money lost. Still have 10K in value here. That's a lot of money. And you have 5 trading days left. So every day this doesn't go to 40, you're probably going to lose $2,000. So honestly, probably the best place to cut this on Monday morning. You just got to cut at the open, because the longer you hold this, it's gonna go to 0. So J Kelly 1011, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. So far, you're already lost on the ones that expired today, but you still got them for next week. Yeah, no offense, dude, but I really don't like this. I think these are pretty bad plays here, and I think you screwed yourself here. Because if you hold this till expiration, it's probably going to 0, probably going to expire worthless. So for that reason, I think at this point, you just got to save face and cut everything on Monday, and just save as much money as you can. I think that's the best play. Certainly hope you sell. But yeah, dude, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Great content, though. Appreciate it. And good luck to you, and please post updates. Let me see some TMC calls. I don't think I have any here, but I did see some TMC calls on Wall Street Bets. If you guys want to look for it and pull it up, we can go over it. But I don't have it here in my list. I did see some TMC calls. Joe, you got to make money when opportunity. You got to strike, make them trades. Yeah, I appreciate you guys. It seems like you guys don't mind, so I appreciate you guys. It's just kind of unprofessional, so I don't really like doing it. I'm supposed to be entertaining you guys. But, honestly, I have missed a few opportunities during the middle of the show. After the show, I look at the aftermarket action, and it looks like, sometimes I missed out on a few plays. So, glad you guys are okay with this. All right, next one. This one is by Anthrix. They say 15K IRNT options loss. I deserve this. So this one's pretty straightforward. This one expired today, September 17th. this one is for, I don't know how many he has. Oh, he's 65. So this one is for 65 calls at the 60 strike. And it expired. Worthless. It's done. So yeah, this was a almost $16,000 YOLO. And it's over. He's down $16,000. Okay, so I can't really analyze this in depth because there's not too much data to go off of, but I just will say this was not a good play. Super 8 play here. $60 strike. Actually hit 60 in the pre-market yesterday, I think. Or was it today? I think it was yesterday. So, yeah, the strike is way out there. Expiration is too close. So, this was a super FD. And these are your typical results when you YOLO into super FDs. So, totally expected here. He says I deserve this. Yeah, I'd have to agree, dude. At least he knows it. At least he has a sense of humor about it. Yeah, all around super 8 play. This is what he's like. This is him. This is Anthrix. So, yeah, it's already over. It's done. He's down 16K, so nothing really to discuss here. Just lost corn with a P. So, Anthrix, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Yeah, honestly, dude, I don't know what you were thinking. This was very, very ambitious. Very low probability of success. And, yeah, it didn't work as expected. So, really not the greatest play, dude. I don't know what you were thinking. Probably you were thinking lottery ticket. So, yeah, a lot of money, dude. A lot of money lost. So, very sorry for that, but I think we all know that this was totally your fault, and yes, you did in fact deserve this. Love the content, though. I appreciate your sacrifice for the content, in the name of content. So, sorry for your loss. Thanks for posting. Great content. And good luck to you in the future. Hope you make your money back. It's a trading show. I'd love to watch you make money or make fun of you if you lose it. Oh, yeah. Like I said, glad you guys, it seems like you guys want to see me go live rainbow aping. So, awesome. And yeah, I'm glad I entertain you guys, either with the attendees or with the lost corn. My degenerate ass. The casino's closed and I'm still gambling. And yeah, I got a sense of humor, laugh at myself. Cause I don't YOLO my whole bankroll, I do this in moderation, the smart way. Smarter gambling, not total degeneracy. I found SDC YOLO update. Sure, low roller. We'll get to that. We got 2 more here. Team Crawford, I agree. APRE is about to go timber. I sure hope so. What's it at now? Watch, it's at 6. I don't even want to look at it. No, it's still at 580. Well, I'm up a little bit now. Hopefully I caught the top. This looks like the top, like $6, 580-ish. Looks like the top. But watch, it's going to close, and then Monday morning, it's going to go shooting up in the pre-market. But in the name of content, I do it for you guys. Alright, this one is by Stifler. So, this guy is, like, low-key in like, Wall Street Bets Hall of Fame status. I reviewed this guy a couple of times, and every time, it seems to be pretty good. Anyway, he says, made over 300K last year, paid IRS, then lost it all on Rocket, Taiwan Semi, Tesla options. Alright, so we see here. Yeah, down $342,000 in 2 years. Since July 26, 2019. Down 93%. American Pie, yeah, the Stiffmeister. I know that movie. I love those movies. The Stiffmeister. With the hot mom. With the MILF. That's right. MILF. I'm getting sidetracked. So, he just posted one of these plays here, but I have one of the most liked comments on that post. Awesome, Joe. Always trolling. CRVS dip below 650. Yeah. You see, guys, if you hold long enough, it'll come down eventually. Not saying you should do this, but if you hold long enough, it'll come down eventually if you can withstand the pain. You know how you withstand the pain? You delete Robinhood. You don't look at it. All right. So here we have Taiwan semi-play. We have 136 calls for the 140 strike. And these are leaps. These expire January 21st, 2022. So this was approximately a $230,000 YOLO. 230K YOLO. And right now he's down $203,000. That is down 89%. What's my average on CRVS? Let's check. Probably like 4 something. It's 425. 425. My initial buy-in was 345, so I averaged in quite a bit. Okay, TSM. 118. Okay, so Taiwan Semi's at 118. And we got 4 months to go approximately. Honestly, this doesn't seem like that bad of a play to me. I think he's just getting theta decayed and IV crushed here. But there's a real good chance this finishes in the money. So kind of deceiving how he's down so much money here. Yeah, that would be about, what, like 15% or something like that? It's really not too far off, you know, and there's 4 months till expiration. So this is actually very possible. So this is a bit deceiving here. I actually don't think this is such a bad play. I think for just whatever reasons, the Greeks, IV, you know, a lot of different factors go into determining the value of options. So, yeah, I think he's just getting theta decayed here, or IV crushed, either one. But honestly, it's not such a bad play. So this is really unfortunate that he's down this much money. And at this point, what do you do? It's still a pretty good play. And there's still 26K in value here. Still a lot of time. So I think for right now, you just got to keep holding this one. There's really no point in cashing this one out and, you know, taking the L here. You know, cutting losses. Because this isn't, like I said, there's a good chance of this working out. So this is tough. Because the right play is to stay in this one. But, you know, every day this must be pretty agonizing. But regardless of the play of that play, you know, losing $300,000 in 1 year is pretty degenerate to me. Pretty ape to me. So this was him. And now this is him. So I'm sure it wasn't just this play. It was just a bunch of stupid combined plays, you know, that compounded. So yeah, don't do this, guys. The only way you can manage this to lose $300,000 in a year is Yolos, YOLOing FDs. I don't know why he needed to do this. You know, like you're pretty much set for life as long as you manage this correctly, and you want to YOLO it. Totally deserved. But hey, so yeah, Stifler, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. This is really, really nasty, but thanks for posting, dude. This is some great content. I love it. Very entertaining. This is true Wall Street bets degeneracy here. So I appreciate your sacrifice in the name of content. And yeah, dude, these weren't the greatest plays. They weren't that bad. Well, the Taiwan semi wasn't. Just a little bit unlucky. And at this point, I think you got to keep holding because there's no point in selling. So tough spot. But hey, you already lost 300K. What's another 26,000, right? But yeah, dude, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. So far, not over yet, but not looking the greatest. But yeah, great content. Thanks for posting. Good luck to you. Hope you make your money back. And please post updates. All right, last one. And, well, second to last one. So this one is by Logic, Reason, Empathy. This guy has been posting on Wall Street Bets a lot lately. Reviewed this guy a couple of times already. They say 24K to 184K in a few weeks. Biggest gain was from yesterday's SPY rally. Hoping to ride it down today on 0 days till expiration. I'll post the lost corn with a P later. Okay, so here we see he's up $160,000, up 668% in 1 month. And what's this? Oh, these are just, I think this is just SPY. These are just his SPY FDs here. So yeah, we have I think these are puts. I think these were puts. But yeah, we have 2,500 puts expiring today for SPY. Don't know what the expiration is. Did he say? Don't know what the don't know what the strike is. But yeah, this was approximately a $115,000 YOLO. So he literally YOLO'd his whole account here. YOLO'd his whole account pretty much. And he's up about 170. He's up about $77,000, up 66%. Okay, guys. So first of all, don't do this. Please don't do this. This was pretty lucky here. If this didn't go right, if this went the wrong way, this would literally be at, like, not zero, but, you know. So this would be pretty down here. He'd be down to his last, like, 50K or something like that, 45K. So, very, very risky stuff, but it paid off. Typically, when you do this, it goes to zero. So, don't expect these results, guys. This is not typical. This was really lucky. But it worked out here. And he 7x'd his money in a day. Amazing. But really nothing else to say about this one. This really wasn't the best play at all. This was really, really risky, really lucky. And I don't advise you guys to do this, but it's great content. I love it. So Logic, Reason, Empathy, thanks for posting. Congratulations to you. Thanks for posting again. You know, you've been posting a lot lately, so I appreciate the content. It's great content. Congratulations on your gain. I don't think it was a great play, but hey, it worked out, so good for you. And yeah, dude, in the future, I certainly hope you stop doing this. Because eventually it's gonna go bad. But I'm glad it worked out here, dude, and I'm very happy you posted this. This is great content. So congratulations on your gains. Thanks for posting, and good luck to you in the future. You know, looking forward to more of these degenerate posts here. All right, one more. We got the Smile Direct Club from Low Roller, and let's get out of here. APRE above 590. So I should have put it in for 6. I knew I should have put it in for 6, but it looked like it was about to go timber. So I'm like, nah, I'm going to take it right here. But yeah, it's pushing 6 right now. So, yep, clown on me. Clown on me. I told you. I told you guys this would happen, right? He shorted. Pump it. You already know. It might not hit 6, though, because, you know, they're going to manipulate. There's probably a lot of orders for 6. It's not going to hit. Anyway. What about, CRVS is at 648 now. So, yeah, pulling back. That's good. All right, let's finish up here, guys. I got to go soon. I think my friend just rang my buzzer, so it's all right. He'll have to wait. We'll finish up here. One second, guys. Let me just text my friend. If I have $300,000, I will YOLO my entire account on SPY 500 forever. I think you mean S&P 500, SPX, or SPY, same thing, yeah. I'll become a millionaire in 10 years. Yeah, that's all the guy had to do. Put it in SPY, index funds, ETFs, and he would have been set for life. But no, I'm going to chuck it all. I'm going to YOLO it all on on options, on FDs. Anyway, last one. This one's by K Yuan? Quan? K Yuan? Sure. They say SDC YOLO update. Okay. Wow. Okay. We have 4,000 calls for SDC expiring. Well, a bunch of these expired today. So we have 1,500 calls for today. Expired today at the 6th strike. And then we have 2,500 calls expiring October 15th, so 1 month out at the 6th strike. And all in all, this was about, what is this, 150? So this was about a $165,000 YOLO, and right now he's up over 100. He's up about $348,000, up 209%. Chase, I hope you hit the sell button. Yeah, me too. Told him to. Still up pretty big, though. GREE holding at 37.50, watching it, hoping for timber. Yeah, hopefully. Are you short, 1010? Or you got puts or something? It's going down. I'm yelling timber. Okay, Small Direct Club. $670. Okay, so these finished in the money. So he made some major tendies here. And, all right, so these expired in the money. So that's very good. So now all we have to worry about is these six strike, these calls for October 15th. Okay, so honestly, this is a bit difficult. It's kind of hard to decide what to do here, but that's a good thing because he's in the driver's seat. You can either cut it now for a massive gain, or you can let it ride because SDC it appears to be just starting. So this could be the beginning of the tendies. You know what I think he should do? He should probably take out the cost basis and then let it ride. You know, he should use these the ones that expired today, the tendies he made today, to play on house money, and then just let these the rest of these calls let it ride. This could pay off pretty big if small direct club squeezes. Just gotta hit the sell button. I don't think it's done yet, not even close to it. So this is a really good play here, you know. He got in way before it even was trending on social media. So very well done. Good strike, good expirations. I mean, decent expirations, not the best, but they worked out. And it's not FOMO. It worked out good here. So well planned and well executed. So overall, pretty good play. Very well done. I like it a lot. And it's paying off right now. So no matter what ends up happening, seems like he's going to make out pretty good in the money here. No matter what, he's probably going to walk away with a profit. They had share offering. Did you go short before the share offering or after the share offering? It would have been sick if you got in before. Does my friend invest in stock market and cryptocurrency? Yeah, he does. Yes, he does. That's his job as well. Okay, so KU on. Thanks for posting. Congratulations to you. Very happy. These are some fat tendies. And, yeah, dude, you still got 1 month till expiration on the rest of these calls. And it looks like you're in a very good spot here. So, you know, you can go about this a few ways. You can cut it here. You can, or you can let it ride on house money. Personally, I think in this situation, you should let it ride on house money. And I don't say that very often, but this does look like a very good opportunity. So, yeah, dude, excellent play here. Very happy for you. Well done. So, KU1, thanks for posting. Congratulations to you so far. You know, this trade is halfway done, and you're looking like you're in a really good position. Thanks for posting. Great content here. Great gain corn with a P. Always nice to see. Yeah, good luck to you. And please post updates. Alright, guys. That is the show for today. Let's quickly just take a quick last look here at the aftermarket action before we sign off. PWSC. What is PWSC? PWSC. Power School Holdings? I don't know what this is. Okay, so APRE is pulling back, 590 now, so at least that, wow, at least that's pulling back, but CRVS is back up to 670. I don't know what's going on with this thing. This is nuts. Super strong. It was looking weak, and now it's right back up, so not good. But I ain't going nowhere. Diamond balls. Okay. So that's the show for today, guys. Thank you to everyone who attended the show today. A lot of people in here. So really, really appreciate it, guys. You guys made this show great today. You guys made it possible. Thank you to all the regulars. Thank you to all the new people who attended today. And thank you to everyone who stayed till the very end. Really appreciate you guys. All right, anything else before we get out of here? Questions, comments, concerns? ATER is back down to 583, so nice. The guy will be a millionaire on SDC next week. Yep, probably, if it goes squeezing. Let body squeeze? I hope everything squeezes. Except for CRVS. It already did. Need to go the other way. My friend Yolo, whose account like Wall Street Bets, no, he's pretty conservative. He doesn't do any ape stuff. For the most part. Oh, Joe, you're still here. Yeah, I really appreciate you guys for staying till the end. You know, this is a long show. So, yeah, thank you guys a lot. You know, it takes some real commitment to stay for 3 hours. Alright, guys, let's get out of here. And for everyone who's not in the Discord, if you want to join, the link is in the description. You can hit me up whenever you want over the weekend during the trading day. And, you know, we share what we trade. So, that's been pretty good so far. Alright, let's get out of here. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody. Peace out.